Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About tan x, we change by sin x over cosine x. This one that is about sin x squared over cosine x squared. Next, we need to multiply by cosine x squared on numerator and denominator. So this one we have sin x cosine x. This one multiplied by number 5 and this one so we have like this. Next, this one I can put into 5 sin x squared plus 2 sin x squared. Next, number 5 and number 5 we can do about factorization. Next, this one that is about number 1. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sin x squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Sin x, sin x cosine x dx we change by this one. So the integration of this one we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 5 plus 2u, and I will put about c. Number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.